Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying basics while taking action immediately. Make sure your computer's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and the router is powered. This rules out simple hardware states. Once done, confirm the exact SSID and password because small typos break authentication. Move close to the router for a clean signal to isolate interference. While you do this, open the network panel so you can observe connection attempts and error codes. Those messages guide the next targeted steps. You now reset software layers that commonly fail. First, forget the network entry and reconnect to force fresh credential exchange. This clears cached mismatches. If you still fail, renew your IP lease using ipconfig commands to clear stale addresses and DHCP hiccups. Update the wireless driver or roll it back if a recent update broke connectivity. This resolves driver-level incompatibilities. Also toggle airplane mode or disable and re-enable the adapter to restart the Finish by inspecting the router and broader network. Reboot the router and check DHCP settings and wireless channel to avoid congestion. Update router firmware if available because fixes land there. If problems persist, test another device to determine whether the issue is the PC or the network itself. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 if websites won't resolve. If nothing works. One key troubleshooting tip. Capture the exact error message and search support with that text. It often points to a specific fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.